Hello everyone, welcome to another episode. I think this is number 9 of Cooking with Chris and my fiance. Now today we're cooking Chilean Seabass, something different. Here is the Chilean Seabass. It's just had a sprinkling of parsley and basil before, and then it's going to get transferred up to the fryer to be fried. And this is fried onions.
No, it's not.
Oh, what is it again? Just what you said with onions.
No, this is just the spices that are going on.
Oh, these are
Fried
spices.
onions are going on the other.
Fried onions are going on these. I should really keep up.
Yeah, you should.
Fish going in. Look at that. Beautiful fish. Absolutely beautiful. It's going to be sizzling up in a minute. Good. Oh, it's cooking beautifully. Look at that. Very, very, very succulent meal this is going to be. Look at this. Beautiful. Oh, look at that, ladies and gentlemen. The fish has just been turned over. I'll tell you what, the skin looks tasty. It is tasty. And that is like a great thing about the fish. Okay, so we've added a bit more of some fish seasoning to it. That's all I know what it is, but it's fish seasoning meant for fish, and that's why it makes sense to put it on. Look at that, very lovely. Okay, so we also have some lemon and lime, which is my contribution. I've chopped that up. And we also have a cheese sauce which has been added to this. I didn't capture that going on because I was chopping up lemon and lime whilst that was going on. I didn't realise, but bubbling hot. Oh, the smells coming from this fish, absolutely unbelievable. Look at that, absolute pure niceness. Gorgeousness, beautiful, whatever you want to call it. Absolutely perfect. And there we have it on the plate. Seabass, Chilean Seabass with some macaroni cheese on the side. And got your lemon or lime to go with it. Oh, bloody hell. That was bloody delicious. Oh. Everyone, do yourself a favour and try some Chilean Seabass. It's expensive, but you know, it's worth it. Absolutely top notch. Wonderful. So thanks for watching, everyone. Yeah. If you like this kind of stuff, please subscribe because we will be doing more of them. Alongside with, you know, the aviation stuff. If you like that too, that's great. Thank you very much for watching.